It started as a routine 80 and a 55 speeding stop on Arkansas Highway 118. But for 23-year-old Thalia Jones, a simple ticket wasn't an option. What Arkansas state troopers didn't know as they initiated a high-stakes PIT maneuver was that a 3-year-old life was hanging in the balance in the back seat. Today, we step into the dashcam footage of a pursuit that ended in a flipped Dodge Charger and a miracle in a Joyner, Arkansas field.
I've got no activity yet. I'm at gunpoint. Who's the closest trooper to me?
34, I'm going to go on Interstate 41. You got 1016 extra units, and I think
10-4. Be right here at the Joyner post office on 118.
Did you have traffic or 10-1?
Just clarifying my location. U.S. Post Office on 118 here in Joyner.
10-4.
Go!
City, just what you got, we'll be here in 2 or 3 minutes.
Get out of the car with your hands up! Put your hands up! Got a female coming out of the back seat on the driver's side. Hands up! Got a toddler walking out of the back. Got a baby. Come stand right here. You're okay. Come right here, baby. Come right here. Come right here. Sit up here, okay? Sit right here, baby. Sit right here. Is it just you? Why did you run from me with a baby in the car? I don't care where you're going. Why would you do that? Crawl to me. I don't care. Crawl to me. Crawl to me. You crawled out of the car, you crawl to me. You okay? You okay? The child is okay. She's with me, sitting on the hood of my car. The mother's trying to crawl to me. Get over here. Are you the only person in the car? You're gonna crawl over here. Quit trying to walk. Just crawl.
John 12 mother trying to call.
She's stating she's the only one in the vehicle, or I'm gonna have her crawl to me, and then we'll clear it when they get here. Hey, over here. Crawl to this side of my car. Stay right here, sweetie. Get over here. I don't care. Get over here.
I'm trying.
You just ran from me.
I'm sorry. Shit.
Walk up here. Get up. Get up.
Can I call someone to get my baby?
Well, yeah, obviously.
Mama.
15 with this female.
And one female, 240.
Mama. I'm so sorry, sir.
You should be. That was the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Could have killed your own child.
Hey, buddy.
Let's clear this real quick.
See right there, okay?
Yep.
My dad stays right there. He's trying to get him there. Nothing's in the car. Nothing's in the car. No boy, no nothing. I'm not in. This is my boyfriend's car. Boy. His name's Gavin O'Dell.
Huh?
See nobody else.
.34 Jonesboro.
34.
Me and the deputy got this car cleared as best we can. She says there's nobody else in there. Next 1011.
I didn't want my baby to get hurt.
Why are you going to jail?
I don't have a license. My boyfriend.
That's why you ran for me?
Yes, sir.
You ran for me because you don't have a license? You almost killed your kid. Do you understand me? Come here. Stand in front of my car. You could have killed your child. Do you understand? That was the stupidest thing you've ever done in your life.
Okay.
Today was the stupidest decision you've ever made. You understand?
Okay.
Pulling you over for going 80 and a 55.
I was not going.
You were.
No, sir.
Yeah, because you were trying to get away from me, and then you confirmed it by running from me. Quit talking.
I got
Yes, your mother is going to get the child.
police are not in the business. Take it to regardless if you're going to.
No, we're not. No, we're not. You did this.
You already checked everything in there? I'll check the vehicle.
Yeah, yeah. We got to get it rolled over to finish checking it. But
My shit's in the car.
what's your name? Young, what's that tag again?
34, June 19.
Thank you.
3 to 34.
Go ahead.
Hey, y'all 1050, can you clear the net?
Yeah, young, clear the net. Everybody's 10-4, no injuries.
64, resume normal traffic.
That's unbelievable.
I'm only supposed
No,
to
man,
not
thank
do that
you.
shit to people on the interstate. I don't fucking do that. I let them fucking run. Guns and drugs and shit.
Are you sitting here making excuses for you getting to run? Do you want me to grab you again? Get over here. Come here. Are you sitting here making excuses for you running?
Fair.
Quit talking. Quit talking.
I don't do that shit.
Quit talking. Let me double lock your cuffs. I would listen. Listen. I could have people run for me all day and it not make me mad. You have got a baby in the car. I'm disgusted by you.
That is fucked up.
Let's get.
No. Can I get him from out of here, please, before
I will get your child out of here. I'm responsible for that baby now.
That's what I'm saying. That is so fucked up. Miss Sane, can you call my mother? Can you call?
36,
You okay, sweetie? Buddy, I mean. Who are you?
I'm Sandra Williams. I work at the nursing home with her mother, Shauna Jones.
Get Shauna down here. I can't just hand the baby off.
I know. Okay.
But if you want to hang here with the baby, you can hang out.
I'll be
You want to hang out here with the baby? Come over here. Where's your car?
It's right there.
Go pull it into the post office and then come hang out right here. Okay? You're going to be all right, bud. You're going to be all right. Everything's okay. You okay? Can you sit here for a minute? Hey, I got to go check something out, okay? You want me to hold you?
Thalia Jones now faces a laundry list of charges, from child endangerment to the unauthorized use of her boyfriend's vehicle. While the charger is totaled, a young life was spared.